Hello viewers. Now we'll discuss with the two very interesting problems. As you know in the earlier classes, the midpoint theorem in geometry. Now we'll same midpoint theorem we'll prove with the help of vector method, and you can realize that how easy this method is. First of all, we'll take a point O as the origin of reference, and here we have to prove the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. So first we have taken D and E are the midpoints, and if we join them, we are getting DE. Now we are taking O as the origin of reference. Okay, now from A we define a vector A at the position of A. So this is our OA, the position vector of A. Now we join B to A and we define a vector B. So OB is equals to vector B. Join O to C and we define OC equals to C vector. Now we have taken D as a midpoint of AB. So we can write vector OD is equals to A plus B by 2. And similarly E is the midpoint of AC. So we can define a vector OE by A plus C by 2. Now we have to prove DE is parallel to BC. Now what is DE? Now we'll find vector DE. DE is equals to OE, that is position vector of E, minus OD. Now OE, the value is obtained A plus B by 2 minus A plus C by 2. Now A plus B by 2. So if you simplify this one, we'll get the A is cancelled, so we are getting C minus B by 2. Vector C minus vector B by 2. Now C minus B is half of BC. So we obtain DE is equals to half of BC, and we know that if vector A is lambda times of vector B, we'll say vector A is parallel to vector B. So same case we are getting here, DE is equals to half of BC. So this gives two results. One, DE parallel to BC, and also we are getting DE, magnitude of DE is half of magnitude of BC. So we got the line joining D and E is parallel to BC and half of BC. Our next problem is ABCD is a parallelogram. P is the midpoint of the intersection of the diagonals. So this is our P. Now we have to prove that OA plus OB plus OC plus OD is equals to 4 times of OP, where O is the origin of reference. So this is also we can do. First we'll find OP, vector OP, as P is the midpoint of AC. So you can write vector OP is equals to A plus C by 2. So this implies twice of OP is equals to A plus C. So this is coming as P is the midpoint of again P is the midpoint of BD. So also you can write the vector OP is equals to twice of OP B plus D. So if we add up this and this, so 4 OP, position vector of A, position vector of B, position vector of C, position vector of D equals to OA plus OB plus OC plus OD. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.